let's define the shooter class, which is composition of a 4 shooter element. And then the center is a location of the shooter. So model shooter.java extends game element. So this will have a 4 shooter element. So array list. Let's have a game element component. There. And the shooter game element, it should override those methods. Again, shooter will not be automatically animated, but it will move according to the key press. So let's just have a blank animate method. And then let's create the shooter, public shooter, and x, y location is provided. Then x, y forwarded with a height, let's give 0 at this moment. Then let's have a size, just a convenient local variable, which is a shooter element dot size. We are going to use this size several times. So size is one side of each shooter element. Then let's locate the 4 shooter element. S1 new shooter element. So XY location color, let's give a white, field false there. So let's take care of a color class there, semicolon there. So we are going to have 4 of those. And then location, since center is going to be the shooter location and from which we are going to shoot the bullets. So this one, upper left one, X location is a drawing purpose. So this upper left corner is a reference. So it should be X minus size and then Y minus size. So X minus size and Y minus size is the first one. Second one, X is the same, but Y is reduced by size. And this one, X should be reduced by size. The Y remains the same. And this one, X, Y, all remains the same. So that's the location of those 4 shooter elements. Then, into the components, let's add S1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Let's add them. And then rendering is quite simple for component in components. What you need to do is just render each shooter element. Then that becomes a definition of a shooter. So in the game board, let's define shooter private shooter, and then let's add it to the canvas so that it could be rendered. So let's import model shooter. Then here let's create. And then the location is the canvas size. So let's put in the middle of the canvas X location. So that is a game board divided by 2. And then in Y wise game board we have width divided by 2. And the Y location is on the bottom. Let's give it a little bit backwards. So game board height minus 2 times shooter size, shooter element size. There. then the shooter will be located on the bottom. Size is location is here, so it's not 2 times, just the size. Then the shooter will be located on the bottom in the middle of the screen. So let's see. Canvas, get game elements, add shooter, then let's just see. Main, run. It is located the center on the bottom.